My name is Kennedy Waweru. I'm the associate in the investments department, and my role at Cytonn Asset Managers Limited includes coordinating and overseeing all the various investment tasks for all the staff at Cytonn Asset Managers Limited.
What are the key highlights of the financial performance of Cytonn Unit Trust Funds for the half year ended June 2024?
So Cytonn Asset Managers Limited published the results, that is the unaudited financial results for the half year ended June 2024. And one of the key highlights is that the firm has really improved in terms of its financial performance. We saw the investment income triple to about 0.8 million from 0.3 million the previous period. We also saw the revenue quadruple to about 10.7 million from 2.7 million the previous period. And as well, we also, Cytonn Asset Managers Limited did record a profit of about 1.1 million compared to a loss of about 2.2 million the previous period. So this means that the firm is on a growth trajectory. And when it comes to our funds, we saw our top fund grow tremendously to assets of about 0.8 billion from 0.4 billion the previous period.
The report highlights a remarkable 83% year-on-year growth in assets under management from 0.7 billion to 1.3 billion. What factors contributed to this significant growth?
So the first key factor that Cytonn Asset Managers Limited has maintained is client focus. So Cytonn has ensured that we focus on ensuring that we invest the amounts that we collect from our unit holders in the best possible asset classes that yield us the highest returns. This has resulted in Cytonn Asset Managers Limited offering investment yields of up to 18%. So for example, the Cytonn Money Market Fund offers 18% as of now. So this means that investors choose to invest particularly with us.
The Cytonn Money Market Fund grew by 129% from 0.4 billion to 0.8 billion. Could you share the specific examples of prudent investment decisions that contributed to this growth?
So Cytonn Asset Managers Limited employs a team of very skilled and well-trained analysts. So these analysts are on the daily working to invest all the clients' monies to our best possible ability. Therefore, our decisions are not just prudent, they are the best in the market, and this can be translated into what Cytonn Asset Managers has in the Cytonn Money Market Fund, for example, being the top fund in the country right now. The other prudent decision is by ensuring that our clients can be able to access their money at any possible time 24/7, and this means that unlike our competitors, you don't have to wait. This ensures that our clients have access to their money at any point as they wish.
What sectors or industries were invested in, and how have those sectors performed in the current economic environment?
So the Capital Markets Authority of Kenya has regulations that now regulate where unit trust funds or fund managers put their money, and because of the way they are structured, unit trust funds are very liquid, and that means that there are investment limits, and the highest you can put your client's money is number one, the government securities, bonds or treasury bills, and you can also put them in various other asset classes like collective investment schemes and property, as well as offshore accounts. Therefore, it is the goal of any fund manager to ensure that they have a portfolio that is very well managed, and for that case, Cytonn does this effectively with our team of analysts.
How does Cytonn manage risk across its diverse portfolio, especially considering the potential volatility in the markets?
Because of the way unit trust funds are structured, and particularly the popular one, the Money Market Fund, these are very liquid, and this means that the investments are put for durations of about 3 months or 6 months, but not beyond 1 year. Therefore, this means that the risk is very low or reduced to a certain minimal level. And Cytonn, by ensuring that we invest our clients' money in this manner, they can get it at any point. So there is not much risk, even though there are volatility. There is volatility in the market.
What strategies does Cytonn employ to ensure the high returns offered, such as up to 18% on the money market fund, remain sustainable to investors?
So the 18%, yes, it does remain sustainable. However, this is under the market conditions that we have. So if the government continues offering higher rates, then because of the way we invest mostly in government securities, then we'll continue giving this sustainable rate. However, if because of the reduction in the risk and the central bank reducing the base lending rate, we can now see the yield going down from 18 to about 17%. So yes, it is. We will continue offering the highest in the market. However, whenever the asset classes are yielding lower, then we have no choice but because of the regulations that now oversee unit trust funds.
How has digitization of the investment through the Cytonn app transformed the relationship between Cytonn and its investors?
So Cytonn investors uniquely enjoy automatic withdrawals and also top-ups. Other competitors of ours will ask you to wait for about 2 or 4 working days before you can access your funds. However, digitization means that Cytonn investors have a wallet whereby they can use to even pay bills. The other thing is that new investors can, at their own will and ability, use the app to onboard themselves, and they don't need to talk to anyone to have them start investing with us. So this means that contact point with our clients is very, very easy, and because of the common digitization of the entire world, whereby we all have phones, our access to clients is top-notch in the market.
Looking ahead, what growth targets or goals has Cytonn set for the unit trust funds for the second half of 2024 and beyond?
Given that we hit about 1.2 billion for the entire scheme, and also our top fund hit about 0.8 billion for the end of the first half of the year, we now target to hit about 1.5 at the end of the year for the top fund, that is the Cytonn Money Market Fund, Kenya shillings. We also target to continue growing our total assets under management for the entire scheme to 2 billion over the next year, and this means that we will continue having our analysts perform the best within the market and ensure that we offer our investors the highest yield in the market.
Are there any upcoming products or services that Cytonn investors should look forward to?
Yes, as I mentioned, that Cytonn Asset Managers Limited employs very skilled analysts at the top notch in the market. So our analysts are offering this insightful analysis for clients. If you have an investment you want to make and you're not sure whether it's plausible or even it is viable, we will have our analysts now offering. We have launched and we continue to now push and promote this third-party research, and this means that if you need to have any research done or report work done, you can contact us, and then we will conduct this research for you. We also now doing fund management, and if you have your own farm or you have that is collecting money, we can also do this for you. And going forward, we expect to have a very varied and fruitful working relationship with all of the Kenya capital markets side of the economy. I'd like to thank our investors for putting trust in us, and I want to assure all of you that we will continue managing your investments in the most prudent way possible. If you'd like to invest, just dial *809# or download the Cytonn Wallet app or on any of the app stores, or alternatively use the online client portal, and you will watch your investments grow as you save yourself into prosperity.